how the pump is being tested by using our system. This is our pump testing system, and these are the options while starting the testing for various flow meter, different starter and sensors. Here you need to select the specified pump what you have installed for the testing. You need to select the model, and everything will pop up from the records. Here you need to provide serial number and also as per UL you need to also provide one GPM level where you need to test the condition. This is our live reading. You will have all the details here like voltage, current, power, frequency, flow, pressure, suction, RPM. Here we are using two flow meter because the design of this tank. We are using two flow meter, and we are making total of one. And please select valve sequence. Please show valve sequence. This is our valve location list. So based on this number, user can select the proper valve for controlling. Now we are here, in this case we are controlling valve number 11 and 14. Okay, now we will start the pump. This is star delta. So in this case pump has been started in star delta mode, and now we can have the reading here. Here we are controlling both the valve. One is in the suction side, and either is at the discharge pressure side. Okay, once user decide to take this reading in record, we need to just press record button and the reading will be stored. Now we will move further to second reading. This is the maximum power reading we are recording now. This is our 10-year-old system where we were using multi-ratio CT. So here the current is displayed here is the raw value. We are multiplying it with 100 because the CT ratio is 100 by 5, 100 by 1. So it will be multiplied by the same ratio, and will be displayed here like here. 50 kilowatt is the power, input power of motor. Oh, record? Yes. In this system we are using motorized butterfly valve. have taken here around 10 readings and now it is turned off. So same way we have taken from 4 to 10 readings as per user requirement. Now readings has been taken. We will check for the report now. In our software we are taking care, our software is taking care that pump shall develop not less 65% of rated total head when discharge is at 150% of rated capacity. This condition, along with the condition of maximum net pressure for a fire pump shall not be exceed 140% of rated head. So that means if your duty point is at 50%, the shutoff should not be cross 140% of the duty point. This condition we are taking care in our software, and it will check whether it is the pump under test is passing for this condition or not. This is as per UL 448. Okay, now we will take out the print now. Okay, you can select the date, so that particular date report only will reflect here. So on this date there are this much report tested, so you can have your serial number and model. So user will select appropriate model to test report, and now it is populated here. We have taken 10 readings. And we will print it out. So these are total 2 reports generated. This is curve and the condition it is taking, it is reflected here by pass or fail. So this particular pump is passing this particular pump is passing this condition of 150% head, 150% of discharge. It should be greater than 65%, and shutoff should be not greater than 140%. Both condition is passing here, and I will show you the table. This is the pump performance report generated by our software. Thank you.